Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious strawberry frozen yogurt. This recipe serves between 4 to 6 people. Not only is it healthy, but it's delicious too. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your strawberry frozen yogurt. You will need 32 ounces of Greek non-fat plain yogurt, and along with that you will need 1 pound of fresh strawberries. Now if you can't find that, you can use the already frozen strawberries from your local grocery store. You will also need 1 lemon, sugar, vanilla extract. You will also need an ice cream maker. Here I have a 1.5 quart ice cream maker by Cuisinart. And you will also need an airtight container to put your yogurt in. And there we have it. Start by removing the leaves off the stem of the strawberry. Using a sharp knife, chop the stem off of each strawberry. Place the strawberries into a strainer and rinse the strawberries with cold water. We placed our strawberries into an airtight container, cover with lid, and place into your freezer for 2 days. Now you can do this step ahead of time. Also, if you're using the strawberries already frozen, you can skip this step along with the previous steps that we did in this video. Our strawberries are now frozen. Now to thaw them out, I'm going to leave them out on my table for 6 hours, and that's how long it's going to take for the strawberries to completely thaw. Now if you don't want to wait that long, you can take your strawberries, place them into your microwave on the defrost setting for 15 minutes or until the strawberries has frosted completely. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, our strawberries have completely thawed. Place your strawberries into a food processor. Blend for 2 minutes. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now we're ready to make our strawberry sauce. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add your pureed strawberries. There was some liquid left over from when we thawed our strawberries. Add that in there. We're going to take a lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze a half a lemon into the strawberry sauce. Now as you can see, I removed the seeds from the lemon before I squeezed it. Add 1 cup of sugar. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this come to a simmer first, then let it simmer for 8 minutes or until the mixture thickens slightly. It's been about 8 minutes and our mixture has thickened slightly, and it is done. Turn your fire off. This next step is optional if you don't want the pulp or the seeds in your strawberry sauce. Drain the strawberry sauce into a mesh strainer. I'm going to take a spatula and glide along the bottom. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now you can remove this out of your strawberry sauce. If not, you can just add the entire strawberry sauce into your airtight container. And this is how it looks when we're done. Place this into your refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. Here's the base of my ice cream maker. Now most ice cream makers, they require that you put the base into the freezer for 24 hours before you make your ice cream or yogurt. And I've already done that. Turn your ice cream maker on. Add the entire 32 ounces of Greek non-fat plain yogurt into your ice cream maker. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add your strawberry sauce. Now if you want to do something different, you can take your yogurt and place it into a separate bowl and then mix the strawberry sauce and vanilla into the yogurt before you add it into your ice cream maker. Let this churn for 25 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes now and our frozen yogurt is done. Turn your ice cream maker off. Just going to show you how it looks. And this is how it looks when we're done. We've placed our yogurt into an airtight container. Now if you want a soft serve frozen yogurt, place this into your freezer for 15 minutes. If you want a more firmer frozen yogurt, place this into your freezer for 2 hours or overnight. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, strawberry frozen yogurt. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's Taste Test. Strawberry frozen yogurt. Gotta love it. The yogurt is nice and creamy. It has a wonderful strawberry flavor. It barely has any tartness to it. Not too sweet, just right. Delicious. So, give the recipe a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. So, until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.